Hello everyone, today we will talk about the Xiaomi 14 civi phone. We will give a short review about this phone. So let's get started. So first of all we will talk about the OS, HyperOS Android 14. It's the latest Android version and RAM 8 GB RAM. It's a good and battery 1 lithium polymer battery required. So this battery is good and also connectivity technology, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB, NFC, GPS, speed, special feature in display fingerprint sensor, IR blaster, coming Gorilla Glass Picture 2 production. Wow, that's great. Other display features, so wireless, other camera feature, rear and front. Okay, so the rear camera is 50 megapixel and 50 mm ultra wide lens and 25 mm main some lead lens and 50 mm 2x telephoto lens. So I think this is a good combination, and this processor is Snapdragon 8s Gen 3. So this processor is also good. You can use this phone very easily and very comfortably. And about the color section, shadow black color, battery power rating 4700 milliampere hour. So I think this battery charge will long lasting. Phone talk time 33 hour. Wow, that's great. So this phone weight is 179 grams. So it's very slim, and I think when you take in your hand, it will very easy and comfort. So that was the review for today, and see you in the next review. Thank you.